Hi there. Here we are at Scogna.com and lifeenergyresearch.com, our bookshop and information site. Today we're going to be doing a questionnaire, so we're going to go to the menu and click Questionnaire. That's going to take us over to saftest.com, where we have three options: Stress 120, SAF 120, and Q24. So today we're doing the Q24. We're going to click that. And it's going to have us enter our major complaint. At the top, you'll see the Next button, and that is what we're going to be clicking throughout the groupings. Now we enter our question groups. If the question is a definite no, or not applicable, or you're not sure, hit 0. And if the question seems to be a hot button issue, hit 5. Then anywhere in between is how you'll rate it, 1 through 5, as far as intensity of the feeling goes with the question. When we get to group number 24, we're going to submit this. We're going to enter our name and our email address that's associated with our account or our SAF practitioner account. At the top, you see the chain and the stress number. When you hit submit, this will go back to the beginning of the questionnaire. And that is how we do an SAF Q24.